Hi everyone, my name is Geetika and I'm the team lead. Our problem statement ID is SIH25190 and the title of our problem statement is AI driven flat transformer diagnostics. Our team consists of Shalini, Yashaswini, Shreya, Sushmita and Varna.
I'm Varuna and I'm going to tell about the problem statement. In the world of electrical grids, a transformer failure isn't just a repair, it's a crisis that costs millions. Currently, diagnosing these chains using frequency responsive analysis is complex, demanding specialist knowledge and often blocked by the impossible requirement of having perfect baseline data. But what if an intelligent system could skip the waiting, cut the complexity, and instantly tell you what was wrong, even if you just plugged it in? Our AI-driven software automates transformer diagnosis using frequency responsive analysis. It unifies all vendor data and uses advanced AI to detect faults without requiring baseline data. This provides explainable results and enables predictive maintenance, saving utilities time and preventing catastrophic failures.
We developed an AI based diagnosis system that automatically analyzes FRA data and classifies the transformer condition as healthy or faulty. Here's how our system works step by step. Data collection. FRA test data is collected from transformers. Each dataset contains frequency versus magnitude information. Pre-processing. The data is cleaned and normalized to remove noise and prepare it for model training. Model training. Using Python and TensorFlow, we trained the CNN model. The CNN learns hidden patterns in FRA data and distinguishes between different fault types. Model conversion. Once trained, the model is converted into a light format so it can run efficiently on any platform. App integration. We built a Streamlit web app where users can upload FRA data. The AI model processes the data and instantly shows the diagnosis result, whether the transformer is healthy or faulty, along with the visual graphs. Visualization. Results are displayed in a clear, easy to read format for quick decision making. The tech stack we use in building this solution are Python for building and training the AI and machine learning model, TensorFlow to design and implement deep learning model for fault detection, Pandas and NumPy for reading, cleaning and pre-processing the FRA test data, Matplotlib for visualizing transformer response curves and AI predictions, Jupyter Notebook as the main environment for development, experimentation and training. VS Code for integrating the backend code and preparing the final deployable version. Flask to create a simple web interface where users can upload FRA data and view results. HTML, CSS, and JS for designing a user friendly front end dashboard. GitHub for version control and collaborative development among team members.
I am Sushmita going to explain this slide. This slide explains the feasibility and viability of our solution. Technical feasibility. Our app quickly uploads FRA data, uses AI to detect faults without baseline data, and works offline with Cloud Sync. Operational feasibility. Simple for field engineers, supports all vendor formats, and auto generates maintenance reports. Legal and risk feasibility. Data is encrypted, role based, and compliant with utility data standards. We'll go with viability. Financial viability. Low cost using open source tech and helps avoid transformer losses with crores. Market demand. High demand for predictive maintenance tools across power utilities. Scalability can be expanded to other electrical assets like generators and circuit breakers. Sustainability reduces downtime, failures, and electrical waste, ensuring long term reliability.
So, this is Shalini, and I'm going to explain about the impacts and benefits This slide is titled with impacts and benefits, as you see, and it explains how AI driven FRA, the frequency response analysis transformer diagnostics, improve the transformer reliability and what are the advantages it offers. So, the left side you can see the AI diagnostics directly improves the transformer reliability, and each icon below represents one major impact. So, the AI analysis. It performs some real time transformer diagnostics using the AI models that we develop. And faster detection identifies issues 5x quicker compared to traditional diagnostics that we use nowadays. And unified format converts different data types into one standard format, simplifying comparisons. AI insights generates intelligent insights even without a baseline FRA curve. Predictive maintenance detects the faults before the failure itself and allowing us early maintenance actions. And reduce the downtime keeps transformers working longer and more reliable by preventing unexpected breakdowns during the summer high peaks. And together, this will lead to AI diagnostics can improve the transformer reliability based on these impacts. And the right side, you can see it parts the list the key benefits and their descriptions. And the first benefit is it simplifies the analysis. Like AI automatically interprets our FRA curves that are generated, saving the manual effort which we make, and easy visualizations, and provides an interactive dashboard for engineers to view the results clearly and precisely. And vendor independent works with FRA data from any manufacturer like Omicron, Meager, and Dove. And reliable and explainable, like builds trust by giving fault reasoning and clear outputs. And instant reports generates auto summarized maintenance and diagnostic reports instantly.
So finally, we conclude that we are not just detecting faults, we are preventing blackouts and saving the Ministry of Power millions in capital expenditure. Thank you.